Hello, welcome to DocsEazy tutorials. Today let's talk about the count function in Microsoft Excel. It's a very useful function in Excel. The count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers and counts numbers within the list of arguments. Without any further ado, let's dive into an example. Before that, keep in mind that the Excel count function will only count the text value. Here we have a table of data that contains numbers and texts. In order to apply the formula, we start as usual with the equals sign, then type count. After opening a bracket, select the cells from which we would like to count the numbers. Close the bracket and press Enter key. Now we see 8 in the result since there are 8 numbers in the selected range. As I told you before, the count function only counts the numbers and not the text values. If you would like to see how to count the text values, look for the description of this video. Thanks for watching DocsEazy tutorials. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. Have a nice day.